Greetings from Florida. We're working today on a 20 to 24 Ford Explorer. This is the right front window regulator we're going to be changing. We've got, the clip's at double speed, by the way. We've got a cover right there. And I think these might be 8 or 9 millimeter bolts. And then you're going to pull up the switch housing. Just be careful not to scratch anything, but use a small awl, and you should be able to pull the whole bracket out, unplug it. That was probably, if that's the drill that I used, it was probably a 10 millimeter bolt right there. I've been getting these from the dealer. I haven't seen any aftermarket versions of them yet. It's the entire inside panel of the door. If this video is helpful for you, do me a favor, like, L-I-K-E, like the video. So we took out that small bolt right there. And then I believe there's a couple at the bottom of the same size, which I obviously must have taken out. We're going to pry back the panel, pop it off. You've got a couple things to unplug on the other side, pretty easy. For the clip that goes to the silver handle, that, I don't know if, I probably don't have a visualization of that, but that's going to be, you're going to pull back on the small tab and it should release. You'll figure it out. Oh, but before you get started, line it up and make sure you get the right part. Occasionally I've found myself with the wrong part. I'm going to take off the speaker, which is going on the new panel. This one's not that difficult to do. If you have any questions, ask right here on YouTube. I will be glad to answer them for you. Okay, to remove the glass, there's two prongs in the clips on the regulator. I'm taking off the motor first. Unplugs. And you see the white pieces of tape. You'll see them in a second. Oh, I also took off the airbag indicator. Don't unplug it. Just take it off. Just take off the bolts. And I'm popping off all the clips around the wires. Okay, right there. You see that white clip I just touched? That white tape? Pull that off. And you'll see a couple prongs inside. You can easily take a flathead screwdriver and just bash them out. You won't break the glass. They do go through the glass, but you'll be fine. Just bang down on it hard. The clip will come out. Clip will come out. Well, if you do break it, remember they say you're not a real surgeon until you've killed your first patient. So we're going to put the glass back up, put the $5 suction cup from Harbor Freight International back on there. Good company, good people. Okay, so you're going to take a Torx 40 and just turn those interior, I don't know what you call it, plastic screws, just a quarter turn to the left. And then you should be able to pull out the entire panel. Next up, we're going to also take off those two. And there's two 10 millimeter nuts behind there. We're going to push that in. And you can be as brutal as you want with the old one because you're not reusing any of it. You know what? I said this is the right front. It's not. It's the left front. Huh. I'll change that. My bad. I do have one for the right front too. And then you can pull it right down. Just push those cables through. Again, if this is helpful, go ahead and like, L-I-K-E, like the video for me. That'll help other people such as yourself find it here on YouTube. If you'd like us to do this for you, Power Up Auto, Tampa Bay, Florida. If you're in another part of the country, move to Tampa Bay. You'll love it here. Florida's great. And then once that in, you should be able to pop in the rest of those clips. Tighten down to 2 10mm nuts. The easiest way to get the clips back into the glass is after you put the motor on, just put the window regulator up and those clips will automatically lock into the glass. If you're curious, Bosch, B-O-S-C-H, Bosch tools. They're the best. I've used everything over the last 40 years, but unquestionably they're the best tools I've ever used. Best customer service too. Let's put back the airbag indicator thingamajig. You don't have to undo the battery, by the way. People always ask that. You don't have to undo the battery of the car. Gonna put the clips back on. I grab that little loop that holds the indicator knob in place. And by the way, that just clips in. There's 2 prongs on the sides of it that you just push together and it'll pop right out. I'm putting the switch on. I'm raising the regulator to the glass. Look at that. Wow. Also a little bit WD-40 in the channels on the side. You don't have to soak it every 2 or 3 months. All your windows, all your cars, just a dab will do you. They dry out and cause the glass to grab. If you do that, they last longer, they work better, they glide easier. And that's it, my friends. I wish there was more to tell you on this. So again, if you find the video helpful, like it. If you have any questions, ask. If you want us to do this for you, Power Up Auto Tampa Bay. And you can watch the rest of this in silence. Be well. Thanks.